we are going to unbox this DNA kit. It's a bit difficult to unbox. My assistant is so bad. I'm gonna put it away. Say hello to you, and then what it is. Can you help me read? Dear friend, let me be the first to welcome you to the Circle community. Like you, we are driven by a passion for health and being the best version of ourselves. We believe that by understanding your DNA, it is our greatest opportunity to improve and optimize health for life's journey. We hope you will think of Circle as more than just a DNA test. Approach it with open arms and be prepared to make changes that will allow you to live a healthier and happier life. The further inspire your change enclosed is our
Circle of Change
bracelet. Thank you for making a difference. Prevention, not treatment. Donio. Thank you.
This is bracelet.
This is a DNA bracelet. So we are going to put back this in this box again. And now this is a DNA collection kit. This is the power to change is within. So now register this kit. Maybe we need to register this kit first, and then second, collect your sample. And this is the kit where you need to make your sample need to collect your sample in this kit. So what is all this? Return your sample. This is the package to return sample bag, and this is after we collect our sample, we need to put it back and to ship it back for our results. And anything else? And can you help me go back? Right.
Other side.
Sorry. Help me. So here they write how we collect our sample. Remove swab. Take a swab out of the packet. Make sure not touch the swab tip. So no need to touch, as the sample show cannot touch the top of the knob. And then second one, rub cheeks. Rub the swab inside your mouth and against your cheek 10 times. Repeat on other side. Just same like we do corona test for our mouth. So this second step is almost same. Then this is the third step. Place in tube. Like after corona test, we check the sample and put it in back the tube. No?
No.
Okay, so let's see what it say. Place the swab into the tube and break the stick in the sucker point in the middle. They just want after you done your test, that stick may be longer, then need to break it to make it inside that tube, and then need to follow the fourth step. They say after that need to cap again. Screw on cap. Screw the cap back onto the tube and shake 10 times to cover the swab tip completely with the liquid inside the tube. So we need to shake this tube well around 10 times, as they said, so our saliva that can be mixed with the liquid so easily. So this is how we gonna use this DNA kit. So after done this, take maybe around 18 days or 18 hours.
18 days when they receive this to the lab, then they give back report.
Give back reported.
Online. They have a lab.
After done our DNA collection test, we send this sample back to their laboratory, and after that almost it take 18 days. I did maybe 18 hours, so that may be my mistake, but around 18 days. Then after that they give us results back, and that result show us for we have one more cover, as in this say Premier Circle Premier brand, and analytic accuracy is about 999%, and then premium 500 plus report across the categories, the most comprehensive DNA test in the industry, one test for lifetime. Circle Premium design for those who take health and wellness seriously, understand everything your genes can tell you about your cancer and disease risk, optimal diet and nutrition, family planning, and much more. Discover actionable insight that help you take control to your health. So this, they show us some samples that for diet 15 reports, cancer risk 36 reports, common health risks 8 reports, family planning 163 reports, nutrition 20 reports, dementia and brain health 6 reports, disease risk 65 reports, drug response 103 reports, sports and fitness 18 reports, stress and sleep 8 reports, ancestry 15 reports, skin 14 reports, physical traits 12 reports, personality trait 5 reports, behavior traits 5 reports, success traits 9 reports, gender traits 4 reports, music and dance 2 reports, pollution 5 reports, well-being 7 reports. What you will also get a free lifetime subscription to DNA updates, including new categories and reports, 30-minute consultation with genetic counselor, 30-minute consultation with genetics trained health coach. Result will be ready within 18 business days. As I say, maybe it's my mistake, it's not 18 hours, it's 18 business days, means working days from receipt sample at laboratory. So after they get the report, can get our result in 18 days. This is their website, CircleDNA.com. Hope to see what's good and bad in our health. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.